Thokozani Emankosini. Hi guys, this is Ndlovukazi Robert, Indlovukazi the Queen. So I'm just trying to get used to this name because that is what my ancestors call me. So I was like, yo, this is just too deep, I was like, no, let's start to go Nkosazana because you've been saying Guti, yes, Nkosazana, but as you mature and all that, but sihlalo sakho say sendlovukazi. Okay, asekho lapho. I'm sorry emakhosini guys, nginiphathele khandlela nali ne. Not gonna make this video long just like the other ones. I love this candle, I love this color, love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Why do I love it? Green nanat, green is money, green draws in money. Now hlushwa imali, green should be your best friend. A green candle should be your best friend. Why? Ngoba green uyadonsa guys. Green udonsa imali. When not that ukuthi ma finances akho awahambi kahle. Nangu mngani wakho guys. Nangu mngani wakho, go buy yourself this candle, right? And then green nakhona akahambi yedwana naye. Uyahamba nani? Nesithunywa sasemandini. Sithunywa sasemandini. Sithunywa sasemandini. Makhosi khehlela litsala. Yebo kunjalo. Ahamba naleli khandlela leli. Ngathini loyo. That is the most ngathini angithi most but one of angifuni ukuthi ngimdescribe ngaleyo ndlela kakhulu, but Swinya sasemandini they say very dangerous because see, it is also in charge of your finances, right? Also in charge of your finances. But this Swinya lesiyahlukahlukana because singena emandini singena nakuphi, singangena enhlane ehlathini singangena nasenzabeni, you understand? So singathi enzabeni ehlane emandini, so kuyadependa nakhona, you understand? But lesi asemandini lesi ngikhuluma ngaso siyahlupha kakhulu because siyavala guys, siyakuvalela izinto takho. So now ufuna ukuthi uconnecte naso sikhona ukuthi sikuvulele izinto takho. Sihamba nelijazi leli green lingaba nesiphambano lesimhlophe, can have stars, it can have birds, it can have different things. Kukhomba ukuthi see connected with not only water singena like, so see in charge, you understand? I hope uyangivisisa, see in charge. So now ufuna connecta naso sebenzisa nali khandlela nali ucele ulidonso ukuthi likuvulele likhansele izinto takho. Ungamix now yenda izinto takho, ungamix. So mina would prefer ukuthi ungaqala nge-white, blue and yellow, naso graduator, and then ungete na green. Maybe now color ungathi white and green, ukhalela in imali, white and green, or white, blue, yellow and green, right? Now ukhalela imali yakho ufuna ukuthi bakuvulele bakukhanyisele. So yeah, uyahamba nemakhehla, hamba nemakhehla lo, uyahamba nemakhehla kakhulu, and makhehla khona are very stubborn. Makhosi, are very stubborn, but likhandlela leli green liyakudonsela imali. Nafuna imali yakho ivuleke ikhanyele. Thokozani emakhosini. Bye guys.